Very good morning class. This lecture is about system analysis and design, and the code for this subject is TCS 462. Myself Dr. Sachin Sharma. We are discussing Unit 2 System Development Life Cycle. What should be the role of system analyst? Being a system analyst, that person should be thoroughly aware of the system and is able to guide the system development project by giving proper direction. System analyst is an expert who's having technical and interpersonal skills to carry out development tasks required at each phase. And the detailed phase we discussed in the last lectures. The main role of system analysts are they define and understand the requirement of user through various facts. They prioritize the requirement by obtaining user conscious. They gather the facts and information and acquire the opinion of users. They maintain analysis and evaluation to arrive at appropriate system. And they try to provide the user-friendly system that will be helpful for various clients, user, and should fulfill their requirement. They suggest many flexible alternative solution and pick the best solution that quantify the cost and benefits. They draw certain specifications which are easily understood by users and programmer in precise and detailed. Being a system analyst, they implement the logical design of system. They also plan the periodicity for evaluation after it has been used for some time. They can also suggest the modification if it's required. There are few attributes of a system analyst. If we talk about what skills are required being a system analyst, then it's interpersonal skills, technical skills, analytical skills, and management skills. Interpersonal skills. It consists of the interface with users and programmer, the facilitation of the different group and leading of small teams. They should be able to manage the expectation of client and employee both. They should have good understanding, communication, selling and teaching ability. Should be motivator, having the confidence to solve queries. Analytical skills consist of system study and organization knowledge, problem identification, problem analysis, problem solving, sound common sense, ability to access trade-off, curiosity to learn about new organization, new policies, new system. Management skills consist of the understanding of user practices, resource and project management, change and risk management, and understand the management function thoroughly. Technical skills consist of the knowledge of computers and software, keep abreast of modern development, know the system design tools, and the knowledge about the new technology. What is requirement determination? It is a vital feature of a new system which may include processing or capturing of data, controlling different activities of business, which produce different information and support the management. It involves studying the existing system and gathering details to find out what are the requirements, how it works, and where improvements can be made. What are the major activities in requirement determination? It predicts the characteristics of system based on previous experience. It can also lead to analysis of the areas that would otherwise go unnoticed by inexperienced analysts. But if shortcuts are taken and biases introduced in conducting the investigation, then requirement anticipation can be half-baked. Requirement investigation. It is the studying of current system and documenting its feature for further analysis. It is also the heart of system analysis, where analysts documenting and describing system features using fact-finding techniques, prototyping and computer-assisted tools. Requirement specification. It includes the analysis of data which determine the requirement specification, description of features for new system and specifying what information requirements will be provided. It also includes the analysis of actual data, identification of essential requirements and selection of requirement fulfillment strategies. So that's it for the day. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. Thank you.